Hi everyone, Rebecca here. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today I am going to be taking you on a shop with me through Hobby Lobby. I've got my sister and my baby daughter with me, and then we are going to do a haul of what I purchased at the very end. So let's go inside. Hey everybody, I am back from Hobby Lobby. That was such a fun trip. I cannot tell you how excited I was to finally get to go browse around Hobby Lobby. I have been waiting for the past 2 months, actually probably a little bit longer, because I think it wasn't since like beginning of March since I have been to a Hobby Lobby, and man did I miss it. I missed it so much. So we ended up actually spending 2 hours in the store from the time that we actually got in. We actually spent about an hour in line. So technically we were there for probably 3 hours, but it was totally worth it. What's really nice about Hobby Lobby right now is the first hour that they're open, they are only open to seniors over 60 years old and anybody with a compromised immune system. So I really respected that. I thought that was great. And so we had no problem waiting around for 10 o'clock when they opened up to the rest of us. And luckily, once they opened up, they just started letting everybody in. There was a line that had started to form, but it's supposed to get up to 106 today. And at 9:30 in the morning, it was, I don't know how hot it was exactly, but I was already sweating. It was so muggy and just so hot. So I'm really thankful that they upped how many people they're allowing in the store. And so basically everybody who was waiting in line was able to go inside into the air conditioning as soon as they opened the doors to everybody. So I really did appreciate that. Now, I'm gonna go through everything that I purchased today at Hobby Lobby. I went for a couple different things. I found some things that were more just like for personal use, for household decoration or functional uses. And then I purchased some items that I will be using in a future video. And so I'm not going to explain too much about why I purchased these items because I want you to tune in and watch the video and not have me explain it to you now. So hopefully the items that I show you, you will be intrigued enough to find out what I'm going to be using them for in my video that's going to drop after this one. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure you click that subscribe button below. But for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for coming and watching another video of mine. Now to start, I had mentioned earlier that I actually went to Hobby Lobby the beginning of March. And when I went, I ended up finding these glasses that I just fell in love with. And so I ended up buying 4 of these glasses. And they're the tall, like water glass size. And so when I went this time, I was like, I'm gonna pick up the wine glasses that match those ones. And so that's exactly what I did. So these are the wine glasses that I picked up. As you can see, they've got really beautiful like teal bubble design down at the bottom, and they've got some rose gold glitter that goes up and down the glass. Are absolutely stunning. I'm super excited to now have the wine glass version of the drinkware that I have. And so these are going to replace my current just plain clear wine glasses that I have. So I ended up buying four of these, and these are part of the spring shop, and all of the spring shop is 50% off right now. And then the next thing that I purchased for our home is one of these drying mats. These are super cute. I got this really pretty floral, it's like blue and kind of a salmon color flowers. And so I bought this. I figured, especially with being home so much lately, we've been doing a lot of dishes, and I have a lot of dishes now that are actually hand wash only. including these cups. And so I thought, what better thing to purchase than a drying mat? And so I went ahead and picked this one up. And then I picked up a second one. This is a seashell design. I picked up this one because we have a vacation home up in Oregon, on the Oregon coast. And we are actually going to be going up there in July for a family vacation. I'm super excited. And so I ended up buying this for that house so I can take that up there with me. So very excited about my drying mats and my beautiful drinkware. And I have been kind of on the lookout for just a few like small decorative items. I didn't find too much while I was there on this trip to Hobby Lobby, because once I got in there, I kind of got sidetracked by the time we got like halfway through the store. And so I actually only found one thing that I purchased as far as decorative goes. And this was actually in their Easter shop, which they still have up because, hello, they closed down right before Easter. So of course they're gonna have all their Easter stuff. And so this is just a really cute little glass vase. I guess you would call this a vase. And so I think what I'm gonna do is I might just put like a little succulent in it and have this just as like a little decoration. But normally this is $3.99, so $4. And the Easter shop is all 80% off right now. So I actually ended up getting this for 80 cents. 80 cents. Isn't that awesome? I'm excited. And let's see here. Okay, so another thing that I got from the Easter shop are these pastel lights. I thought these would be perfect for Jameson's bedroom. I just am so excited. They're beautiful colors, beautiful colors. You've got yellow and you've got pink and you've got blue and purple. They're just really bright and cheerful. And these I only got for $1.40. It's a steal. I couldn't pass those up. So the next thing that I bought, I don't think I'm actually going to keep it because it's bigger than I thought for the space that I bought it for. But I've been looking for a coffee bar sign for our coffee bar. But it's too big. It's too big for the area that I wanted it. And so it was only about $12, but so I might end up having to take that back, but that just means another trip to Hobby Lobby. So I also got this planter hook that will go in our garden out in the backyard. And we were looking for one of these because we had purchased a bug zapper, and it's a really nice bug zapper. It looks like a lantern. And right now it's hanging over our patio, but you know, when you're entertaining, you don't really want to have a bug zapper just hanging there. So we thought it'd be kind of perfect to have a spot for it in our garden, which really is predominantly where a majority of the bugs are anyways. So we're gonna try that out. Not quite sure if it's gonna work, but if it doesn't, I'll just, hang a plant from it and that'll be that. And so the last bulk of the items that I'm going to show you, I'm not going to do too much explaining into why I purchased them, because again, they're going to be part of a future video. But I just wanted to show you what I bought, so you kind of get an idea of how much I was able to get, and I'm going to tell you how much my bill was when I checked out. So I ended up getting these craft bells, jingly jingly craft bells. Most of this stuff was all already on sale. I want to say these craft bells and these pipe cleaners right here were the only things that weren't on sale. And these were $3, these were $2.29. So I didn't even use a 40% off coupon because I completely forgot about it. And it was just like, they're just a couple bucks, so it's no big deal. But I ended up buying this silicone ice cube tray in this pretty kind of like mint blue color. Mint blue, mint green. Either way, it looks minty. And then I bought this little mini spatula tong set in this teal color. Isn't that cute? And these are all part of the spring shop, which again is all 50% off. I bought this silicone whisk, which is also a teal color, and it's got a nice little wooden handle, 50% off. And then I bought these little pom-poms here. Now these came from the Easter shop. As you can tell, they're very Eastery in color. So I got these from the Easter shop, and regularly $2.99, got them for 50 cents. So it was a total bargain. And at the end of the trip, when we rung out, my receipt only came to a little over $64. So I think it was kind of a steal. I think we purchased quite a bit for such a small amount of money. So I am super excited. I now have my my next video planned. Other than that, thank you for coming along on this Hobby Lobby trip with me. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun. And as always, don't forget to click that subscribe button. You're gonna wanna see the next video that I have coming up. So as always, stay happy and healthy, everybody. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Bye.